Hey! In front of me is TCL Tab and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this tablet. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll all the way down. Now select System and click on Languages and Input. Following that, select Virtual Keyboard and Keyboard. Over here, tap on Text Correction, scroll down just a bit and click on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!